Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 72, 104 and 144. We are going to be using the prime factorization method, which is the best method to find LCM of any number. Here we are going to use the single ladder method, where we are going to write all the three numbers together on a single ladder and find the LCM. So 72, 104 and 144. As all the three numbers are even, we are going to divide the three numbers by 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 times 2 is 4. Again, all the three numbers are even, we are going to use 2 to divide the three numbers. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12. Again we are going to use 2, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Now we have only one even number, which is 18. So we are going to use 2 to divide 18, and 9 and 13 are not fully divisible. So we are going to write it as is. 2 times 9 is 18. Now we can use next prime number 3 to divide 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 13 will be as is because it is a prime number, and 3 times 3 is 9. We are going to use 3 to divide both the 3's. 3 times 1 is 3. 13 will be as is, 3 times 1 is 3. Now 13 is a prime number, we are going to use 13 to divide 13. So 13 times 1 is 13. So to find the LCM, we are going to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side. So that's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 13. This is going to be our LCM. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16, 16 times 3 times 3 is 9 times 13. So 16 times 9 is 144. So 144 times 13. So that's going to be 1872. So the LCM of the three numbers is 1872. This is how we find the LCM by prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.